warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Rann and I'm a student of SMPN 3 Cileunyi, Subrayan 5, Kabupaten Bandung. Today I'm going to tell you a wonderful story entitled The Goldfish and a Tortoise. I hope you enjoy my story. Once upon a time, there lived a goldfish in the river. She was friendly, that's why she had many friends, like catfish, shrimp, tortoise, and many shellfish. The goldfish was very honest and generous. She was always ready to help others. One day, a goldfish saw something strange. What's that? Actually, the think object it was a trap to catch a fish. But a tortoise said, if you go inside it, you will get lots of food. Wow! I want to know. I must go inside it. Goldfish thought. Came a catfish. Wait! That is dangerous. That is trapped to catch us. Whoa! Really? Thank you for saving me. Tortoise is a liar. He cheated me. The goldfish was angry. You should be more careful, the catfish advised the goldfish. Thank you, my friend. I'll be careful in the future, said goldfish. One day, the fisherman came to river. He was sitting at the bank, tied a rope into the string of his fishing line, and the fisherman dropped the bait into the river. The tortoise saw the bait, called the goldfish to feed the bait, but of course goldfish don't believe tortoise again. However, because the tortoise seduction, the goldfish was pulled up into the fisherman's hands. Seeing that, the goldfish friends got angry. Threw the tortoise into the hunter's net, and nobody helped him. Since that day, the goldfish never trusted the tortoise again. The story teaches us that betrayal always brings regret, and honestly is the best way to keep our friends. Thank you for listening to my story. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.